Hello children, today we will do exercise 8.1 and question A is build decimal numbers with. First part is 4 in tens place, 2 in ones place and 6 in the tens place. So firstly we will make place value chart and then we will fill the numbers. Now where is 4? 4 is at tens place, so we'll write 4 here. 2 in the ones place, we'll write 2 here at ones place, and 6 in the tenth place. So this is tenth place, we will write this 6 in tenth place. So 42.6 is the number. Second is 3 in the ones place and 5 in the hundredth place. So we'll write 3 in ones place and 5 in hundredth place. As there is no tenth place, we will put 0. So the number will be 3.05. And the third is 8 in the hundredth place, 6 in the thousandth place. So there is no ones place, whole number is not there, tenth place is not there, hundredth place. 8 we will write at hundredth place, 6 we will write at thousandth place. So the number is 0.086. Now question B is write the fractional and decimal expansions for each of the following. And the first is 4.5. The fractional expansion will be 4 is whole number, we write as it is, plus 5 is at 10th place. 5 is at 10th place, we will write 5 upon 10. So the number is, fractional expansion is 4 plus 5 upon 10. Its decimal expansion will be 4 we will write as it is, and there is one decimal place. Whole number we already written, so we'll put 0 for whole number, and there is one decimal place. 5 is at 10th place, we'll write 5 here, so the number will be 0.5. Now second part is 15.16. The fractional expansion will be 10 plus 5, 15. Then 1 is at 10th place, we will write 1 upon 10. 6 is at 100th place, we will write 6 upon 100. So the fractional expansion will be 10 plus 5 plus 1 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. Now decimal expansion will be 10 plus 5 will write as it is. For decimal number what we will do, देखिए होल नंबर आप पहले ही लिख चुके हैं, इसलिए आप होल नंबर के लिए क्या लिखेंगे 0, और 1 कहाँ है, 1 डेसिमल के बिल्कुल साथ में है, 10th प्लेस पे है, सो विल राइट 0.1. देन वेयर इज 6? 6 इज एट 100th place, means after 2 places, डेसिमल के 2 प्लेसेस के बाद है, सो होल नंबर के लिए 0, 10th प्लेस वी हैव रिटन ऑलरेडी, इसलिए उसके लिए 0, और उसके बाद 6 विल राइट एज इट इज हियर. हमने क्या किया बेटा, होल नंबर को हमने पहले लिख लिया, एक्सपेंड कर लिया, उसके बाद होल नंबर के लिए हम 0 लिखेंगे और 1 को लिख देंगे 0.1. उसके बाद 6 के लिए क्या करेंगे, होल नंबर के लिए अगेन हम 0 लिखेंगे. हमने 10th प्लेस को ले लिया, इसलिए हम 10th प्लेस के लिए 0 लिखेंगे और 100th प्लेस को हम एज इट इज लिख देंगे. तो डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन क्या हो जाएगा, 10 प्लस 5 प्लस 0.1 प्लस 0.06. कम टू थर्ड पार्ट, 0.235. Its fractional expansion will be 0 is whole number, we'll write 0 or we can leave here. 2 is at 10th place, we'll write 2 upon 10. 3 is at 100th place, we'll write 3 upon 100. 5 is at 1000th place, we'll write 5 upon 1000. So fractional expansion will be 0 plus 2 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 5 upon 1000. And the decimal expansion will be, we'll return 0 as it is and one place after decimal. Phase 2, after one place of decimal, we'll write 0.2. Now again we have taken 0 whole number. 10th place we have written already. We have expanded 10th place already, इसलिए हम उसको 0 लगा के उसको छोड़ देंगे. उसके बाद 100th place को हम लिख देंगे. So the number here 0.03. Then 5. 0 whole number के लिए 0, 10th place के लिए 0, 100th place के लिए 0. Because we have taken already, हम पहले ही ले चुके हैं, इन places की expansion कर चुके हैं. अब 5 को हम लेंगे 0.005 बिकॉज हमने 0 को ले लिया, 2 को ले लिया, 3 को ले लिया, 0 को ले लिया, 2 को ले लिया, 3 को ले लिया. नाउ विल राइट 5. सो द नंबर विल बी 0.2, 0.03, 0.005. Now come to 7th part, 2.308. So the fractional expansion will be 2, whole number we'll write as it is, plus we see 3 is at 10th place, we'll write 3 upon 10. So 0 is at 100th place, we will leave it. 8 is at 1000th place, we'll write 8 upon 1000. So the number is 2 plus 3 upon 10 plus 8 upon 1000. Its decimal expansion will be 2, we'll write as it is. Then for this 3 number, what we will do? Already we have written whole number, so we'll put 0 here. हम 0 लिखेंगे क्योंकि हम whole number को ले चुके हैं. 0.3. Next is 0. We'll leave it. Then 8. We'll write 8. How to write 8? Whole number we have written, so we'll put 0 for whole number. 10th place we have written, we'll put 0 here. 100th place we'll put 0 here. Then लास्ट में क्या आएगा 8. लास्ट में क्या आएगा 8 बिकॉज हम 2 को ले चुके हैं, 3 को ले चुके हैं, 0 को ले चुके हैं और उसके बाद 8. So the decimal expansion of 2.308 is 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.008.